Hello guys, we're here with yet another video review, and this time we're going to be checking out Funded Trading Plus. So they're a relatively new proprietary trading firm, but they have massive potential of becoming one of the leading ones in the industry. As always though, you should stick with us until the end of the video for an additional discount code, but otherwise, let's dive in. So look, with so many new prop trading firms that are joining the industry with large amounts of capital that can be acquired by traders, it is a difficult task to find the one that will suit all of your specific needs. So depending on what we're actually looking for, every firm can have positive and negative features with a specific set of rules. So with that being said, we've decided to help traders find the most suitable prop firms with in-depth reviews like this one. So let's find out a little bit more about Funded Trading Plus today though. So here we are on the Funded Trading Plus website homepage. I'm going to take a look through a few different parts, but I also encourage you to have a look on your own. So they're a relatively new proprietary trading firm incorporated in November 2021, officially launched on the 16th of December 2021. Their headquarters are located in London, UK. They allow their clients to work with an account of up to $100,000, but you can scale all the way up to $2.5 million. So they've integrated their technology with broker ASIC-cap. You can see that on their website here. Now, EightCap is an ASIC-regulated broker in Melbourne, Australia. We're going to take a look through this part in a bit more depth in a second, but as I sort of mentioned, they offer traders funding up to $2.5 million, and there's 4 different funding program options. So traders have the option to choose between an experienced trader, which is a 1-phase evaluation process. The advanced trader is a 2-phase evaluation process. Talented trader, well, this is a win rate based challenge. And then the master trader, which is direct funding. So let's take a little bit of a deeper dive into the technicals about each different funding option. So with the experienced trader program, single phase, as I mentioned before, they've got 5 different account options. So you've got the $12,500 funded account size, $119. $25,000, $199, $50,000, $349, $100,000 is $499, and the $200,000 account is $999. So, experienced trader program, this consists of the single phase assessment. Now, the required profit target is 10%, while you can't surpass the daily drawdown of 3%, and then the total 6% drawdown. You can trade manually or use EAs. The leverage 10-to-1. Profit split of 80 to 90%. So once you pass the 1-phase assessment, they will provide you with a real live funded trading account of the same size. So you can choose if you'll compound your profits or multiply your account capital, so that then you can get access to more significant amounts of capital to trade with. Let's take a look at the next one, the advanced trader account option. So the advanced trader program, let's have a look at, first of all, the fees and the account sizes. So you have a $25,000 account for $199, $50,000 account, $349, and the $100,000 account for $499. So the main difference between the advanced and the experienced is that the advanced has a 2-phase evaluation process or assessment. The required profit target to hit at phase 1 is 10%, and then in that you cannot surpass the daily drawdown of 5% and total drawdown of 10%. The required profit target to hit at phase 2 is 5%, while you can't surpass the daily drawdown of 5% and then the total drawdown of 10%. So you can trade manually or use EAs as well. The leverage, again, 10-to-1, profit split of 80 to 90%. So once you pass the 2-phase assessment in this, they will provide you with a real live funded trading account of the same size. So you can choose, again, if you're going to compound your profits or multiply your account capital, so that you can get access to more significant amounts of capital to trade with, which is a great feature of Funded Trading Plus. Let's have a look at the talented trader. It'd be nice to be called a talented trader, wouldn't it? So the talented trader program, look, this is a specific program that has an evaluation stage where your aim is to execute 125 trades and receive a win rate of at least 50%. All right, and that's in order to get funded. Now, you are expected to trade with a risk to reward ratio of 1-to-2, while also noting that break-even trades are not counted towards overall win percentage. Again, this is all information you can see here, guys. After successfully passing that challenge, then you receive a live account with a monthly drawdown of 20% and a total drawdown of 50%. Also note though that you can trade manually or with EAs in this as well, and you will be trading with up to 500 to 1 leverage while being eligible to 80% up to 90% profit splits. And the last funding account we'll have a look at is the Master Trader. Geez, it'd be even nicer to be called Master Trader. So the Master Trader, let's have a look at these. So they've got 5 different options here. You can have a look through yourself. The smallest being the $5,000 account for $225, and then the $100,000 account for $4,500. So yeah, this final program, the Master Trader program, which is basically also called instant funding. And so this program has no evaluation stages, which basically allows you to start earning profit splits instantly. The required profit target hit is 5%. You can't surpass the drawdown of 5%, and there is no daily drawdown rule. You can trade manually or use EAs, while the leverage is 10 to 1 with a profit split of 70 up to 90%. I do encourage you again, guys, to have a look through in yourself. I'm kind of skimming over all these bits of information, but please do dive in and have a look through all of these in your own time. So an excellent feature that all the funding program options actually offer is that you're not limited to a minimum or maximum trading days while trading your assessment or real live funded trading account. So this reduces the stress that a limited period can cause to certain traders and allows you to stick to your risk management strategy and actually progress at your own pace. Funded Trading Plus also has a real account multiplier, meaning that consistently successful traders get to compound their profits or scale their accounts up to a balance of $2.5 million. So you are allowed to trade Forex pairs, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. You can trade on MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 platforms. The difference in trading instruments between the two platforms is that you cannot trade all crypto instruments with MetaTrader 4. So what makes Funded Trading Plus different from other prop firms? Well, Funded Trading Plus differs from most industry-leading prop firms. They have really relaxed trading rules with almost no restrictions. For example, you can trade during news and hold trades overnight, while EAs, algorithmic trading, and bots are also allowed. The only restrictions that you should really focus on are the daily and maximum drawdown and closing positions during the weekends. Cryptocurrencies are an exception for that. So compared to other firms, the Funded Trading Plus allows you to choose from 4 different funding programs that we just went over as well. They offer 10 to 1 leverage, profit splits of 70 up to 90%. Look, their website has a lot of advantages as well that you can look through. But look, to summarize, many different strategies can acquire funding from Funded Trading Plus due to their relaxed trading rules with really no restrictions. The main focus is fulfilling the profit target while not falling below the daily and total drawdowns, which should be self-explanatory. But apart from that, you've got a lot of different options when it comes to using Funded Trading Plus, and they are certainly a great proprietary firm and a great option for really any trader. So is getting Funded Trading Plus capital actually realistic? Well, as I always mention, it's essential to see how realistic the trading requirements are when looking at prop firms that best suit your Forex trading style. For example, a company offering a high percentage profit split on a highly funded account sounds amazing, but if they expect high percentage gains per month with low percent maximum drawdowns, then your chances of success, they're severely diminished. After considering all of that though, Funded Trading Plus is an excellent choice to get funded with. This is since you can choose between 4 different funding program options with simple, straightforward rules. Overnight holding and news trading is also allowed, which is excellent for day traders and swing traders looking for capital up to $100,000 with a chance to scale up to $2.5 million. So I've just jumped over to the FAQ section here on the website. I'm not going to go through each individual tab. That'll take forever, and Funded Trading Plus has given a lot of great information here. So again, I encourage you to have a look through all of these different components, particularly Funded Trading Plus is something that you're considering joining and going with. I do like to just touch on a couple of things which you will notice from all our review videos. One being payment proof. So look, payment proof, you can find most of payment proof from their traders in their Discord, which you can and should join, or on the YouTube channel, which you should check out of theirs. I always mention the broker. I did mention earlier being AightCap, again, an ASIC-regulated broker based out of Melbourne, Australia. As for trading platforms, you can use MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. That is mentioned in here as well. And in terms of trading instruments, Funded Trading Plus offers a really large variety of trading instruments. So you're allowed to trade Forex pairs, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Again, take a look through all the FAQs here and a general look over the website, and you can find all this information and more on your own accord. Just to quickly reference education and support for traders, so Funded Trading Plus is an extension of Trade Room Plus, which started in 2013 and is the leading UK's live trade room for retail traders. So while Funded Trading Plus doesn't have their thread on Forex Factory, they have been mentioned numerous times in another thread named Prop Firm Hub, made by a user named Mastermind. They also provide a really well-structured dashboard that all of their clients can access, making it easier to manage risk with all the objectives about their statistics. One other aspect I always really like to focus on in every review we do, which you will notice if you regularly watch our videos, is other traders' comments about said proprietary firm, in this case being Funded Trading Plus. It gives you a great chance to see firsthand from other traders what their viewpoints are. So look, the Funded Trading Plus, excellent reviews. Out of 42, score of 4.6, which is great. Lots of really positive feedback. Again, I'm not going to go through every single review and read it out for you. You can go and have a look yourself, but the overwhelming response is very, very good. So some of the main comments that I noticed when I was looking through was around the support team that provides a heap of necessary information, or if you're unsure of anything, they're amazing to help. And look, a vast majority of the community also praises their really well-structured dashboard, which is a huge bonus as well. Again, go and check it out, but the overwhelming response is very, very positive for Funded Trading Plus, which should give you a lot of security knowing that they are an excellent firm. So just to come back to the homepage here and summarize a few key points. So Funded Trading Plus, they offer accounts from $5,000 up to $100,000 for a one-time fee. You can choose from 4 different funding program options, as we went into a little bit of depth with before, where basically you just have to hit specific profit targets to complete. Upon successful completion, you can receive a funded account eligible for 70 up to 90% profit splits, weekly payments, relaxed trading rules. Again, as I mentioned earlier, you can also scale your account up to a balance of $2.5 million by reaching specific profit targets over a more extended period of consistency and of profitable trading. So look, it's an excellent firm for undercapitalized traders, seeking investors for their trading, or just really any trader in general. It's a fantastic option to go with. At Forex Prop Reviews, we do know the team personally. They're incredibly skilled and knowledgeable, and they are really making great things happen in the world of trading. So you be in good hands with Funded Trading Plus. So as I've mentioned a couple of times, with Funded Trading Plus, you can scale your account up to a balance of $2.5 million by reaching a specific profit target over a more extended period of consistent profitable trading. So I'd recommend Funded Trading Plus to anyone who's been reaching consistent results. And while they're still a relatively new firm, they offer really excellent conditions for a big pool of different trading styles for individuals, making them a good fit for everyone. Thank you as always for watching. Please subscribe to watch more reviews about Forex proprietary trading firms. Check below for the discount code, and I really look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thank you as always.